This is an unboxing of WWE Monday Night War figures, Chyna. From the Monday Night War figures, this is built on X-PAC figure. Now here's Chyna. Here's Chyna from episode of War, October 18, 1999, when the day after she won the Intercontinental Championship from Jeff Jarrett at No Mercy. She was Intercontinental Champion on that War is War episode. Here was the back. From Londonderry, New Hampshire. Height 5'10". Finishing move pedigree. Career highlights: Intercontinental Women's Champion and Hall of Fame inductee. Here, this is the arms of X-PAC. Next, I'll do Steve Blackman. Here's what you can read right here. Now let's unbox it. Here's Chyna. Here comes a two-fisted hand with the gloves. Here comes a two-fisted hand without the gloves. Here's two open hands. You can have hold title belts. Here's two open hands where you can have the whole title belts or microphone. Here's Chyna's action figure. Now let's take a look at her in the ring. Here's the War is War wing with Chyna. Here's Chyna with the Intercontinental Championship belt. She won it on No Mercy and appeared on War is War the next night on October 18, 1999, episode of War is War at the time. And here's X-PAC. You can comes with two arms. Let's see if it goes in. I'm having trouble putting these in. Here's X-PAC with both arms. Next, I'll do Steve Blackman and get the legs and finish built a figure. And that's the unboxing of Chyna. Once WWE Monday Night War figures. Thank you for watching the video.